goal with this activity is to really loosen up the upper body. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to lie on your side. You want your arm like this. Other arm is out nice and long in front of you. You're going to keep your eyes on your fingertips the whole time. Take a silent inhale through the nose. Exhale. Gently reach. Keeping the arm long and lazy. You're going to keep your eyes on your fingertips. You're going to roll up, open as far as you can without the shoulder going way back. So you don't want this to be like a pec stretch. It's more of a turn through the torso. And it's nice and slow with quiet nasal breathing throughout, like this. Eyes stay on the hand, and then you bring it back. Nice and lazy, keeping the arm long without it sagging. If that's too difficult, you can bend the elbow and keep the eyes on the hand. Same exact way. You want to think about nose and sternum moving together, minimal movement at the hips or with the arm long. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.